Oh, I am so bad. I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh, still, I suppose you would look better surrounded by potatoes. Where's the garlic? The rosemary? Oh, what do I have to work with here? 3-year-old dried herbs? Oh, you're not gonna fit in the oven, are you? Not in one piece, anyway. This makes quite a mess. The little lambs are lovely. Shepherdess. Oh, what am I doing? I should untie you. Oh, a poor old lady frightened out of her wits. I should untie you. But first I'll put a dollop of fat in the oven tray.
Grandmother?
Oh, guests are up. Breakfast isn't ready.
I'm prowlin, with a wicked grin and claws are growlin. Got my eye on Granny, she ain't knowin. Tonight's the night her fear is showin. Huff and puff, the house is quakin. In the fireplace the flames are baking. Breadcrumb trails and shadows widenin. A wolfish grin is slowly tightenin. Oh, the big bad wolf is here, feeling strong and full of cheer. Granny screams but no one's near. Fire's hot, her face so clear. In the kitchen tools are gleamin. The little red cries are streamin. But with each brick I'm deceivin. In the oven Granny's dreamin. He gathered some veggies and spices too, a pinch of magic and a dash of dew. With a howl of delight he danced around. In his little kitchen joy did abound. No more tales of brave escapes, no more beds with wolfish capes. Just a dance with fate's own shapes.